Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harvey from Forex Traders. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So in this video, I'll be doing backtesting on the method or the strategy that I'm using. So I'll be applying a lot of things. There will be supply and demand order blocks, mitigation order blocks. So I'll be showing you how I approach the market from my perspective. So this is how you can help yourself in order to know or to know deeper about the supply and demand is when you do the backtesting method. So this is what I'll be doing here. So as you can see here, this is the replay of gold. So I mean that we'll be using the history of the movement that already happened. So as you can see, I cut it here around, let me see, around 22 December 2021. So we'll be starting from there. So as you can see here, the market was going down from this point here. The market was going down. As you can see, they were breaking the previous lows. As you can see, previous lows like this. But from this point of view here, you can see that the market was pushing up, right? So as the market was pushing up, so this becomes our low here, then it means there must be some sort of what break of structure here, right? Then let's see, sorry. So this becomes our break of structure, this high here. Then this is our order block here. This is our bullish order block. So the market, in order to go to another order block, they have to break another order block. I hope you understand that. So as you can see here, they were doing what? Breaking the previous low, creating smaller order blocks. But for us, we are looking at the bigger picture. So we know that the market is bullish, right? So we'll be looking for what? For bullish order block. So as you can see, let me replay this. Let me reduce the speed. So for me, if this was my trade, this will be the trade that I will take from this point here until this point here. Remember, this is not something that, let me say, this is not something that, what can I say? It's not something that you can cheat on. So even if you lose on your backtesting, it's still an improvement. You will know what to do or what not to do when you're trading the real market. Understand? So let's play this here. Let's see if they will reach our TP, which is the previous high. Okay, let's stop here. There's something I want to show you. As you can see, they were in a downtrend towards our order block here, right? Then from there, they did what? They started to break another highs. This is where they broke another high. This is the high here, right? Then if this is our high here, then this here is our what? Our new order block here. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove all of this. Then we're gonna mark our order block. This is the break of structure. Sorry about that. This will be the swing high. And also this here, it can also be a swing high here. If we can go to 15 minutes time frame, you'll see what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is what? A break of structure also. So you can either use this one or this one here. So if you're using this one here, your first order block will be this one here. Will be this one. This will be your first order block. But for me, I won't use this one here. I'll use this one here. I'll use this one. Then this will be my swing low. Then the reason why I'm using this one here is because this is the recent swing high, swing low, break of structure order block that I have from this movement here. This is an older high here, so I will only use this one here if I need an order block from higher time frame. Understand? So this is a small time frame order block, so you use the recent swing high and swing low. Understand? So this is my order block here. Then I will mark it like this. I'll mark the order block. Remember the order block here, it will be the last bearish candlestick before what? The break of structure. Then this is what we are doing. Then let me zoom it out so that you can see the replay. And then this will be my order block. Then let's put our TP, it will be the previous high. Let's make it like this. Then let's replay. Let me make it speed so that we can save time. So as you can see, the market is still pushing up. The market is still pushing up. Okay, as you can see, the market finally did what? Came to our order block. It finally reached our order block, which is this one here, right? So this is our order block. Then our TP was somewhere around here using the previous high, which is this one here. So, so this will be the entry point for our order block here. Let's see how it plays. Okay, so as you can see, our trade was successful, but look at this point here, the reversal point here. As they were going down, you can see what they did here. If I can zoom it out or zoom it in, you can see what they did here. They broke the structure here. They broke the structure here. They swing high, swing low, swing high, then break of structure, retest on the low, then they went down. Now they must go to the what? To the order block. So our order block will be the last bullish candlestick. So the last bullish candlestick will be this pin bar here. Then this will be what? Our new trade that we'll be looking for. Let's see if they can respect that. Let's put our stop loss in TP. Let's make it like this. Then let's look for what our bullish order block. Let's leave it that out. But my target usually will be this low here. I use the previous lows for my targets, so I will use this low here. Then let's replay and see. Okay, as you can see, this order block failed. They went through the order block. They just went through the order block. So we lost this trade here, right? Then we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it and let's play the market. Market still trying to push up, then it start to go down. Okay, as you can see, after taking us out, then they started to do what? To push the market down, right? So as they push the market down, we need to look for the previous markets, then look for what? An order block or a demand zone or something like that. So if you look here, this is our break of structure here. This is our break of structure. Then this here will become what? My order block. I'm just gonna mark this level, this whole level, because I'm trying to cover also the pin from this movement here. This is how I mark my level. Then let's put our TP and stop loss always 5 pips below the order block lines. And let's put it here, the previous high, put it here. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, our order block was respected here. If I can zoom like this, our order block was respected here. This is the order block that we have. Then let's play. Okay, our TP was hit around here. Remember, I used the previous high for my what? For my TPs. So let's go to 30 minutes time frame because I need to look at a little bigger picture here. So as you can see here, they reached our target. Then from there, let's see how the market plays. As you can see, they went down again. They went through the order block. So we won't be trading the same order block twice here, right? So we won't be doing that. Let me do it like this so that you can see where we come from. As you can see, this is where we come from here. This is the same movement. As you can see, it's the same chart. We won 2 trades, then we lost 1 here, right? Then now, as you can see, the market is pushed down really hard here. Then they left us with these 2 highs here, right? So this here will be our, you can say, demand or the order block. So for me, I'm going to go with the demand zone here. So this will be my demand zone. This will be what? The rally base drop, right? So I'll wait for the market to come again to this level here. Let's see. Remember, losing is part of the market. You won't always win. So as you can see, the market is doing what? Is consolidating a lot around this level. So mostly for me, once they start to do a lot of consolidation at the level that I want to buy or sell, I usually just close my trade with a small profit because there's a high chance that they can just break through the level and start to create new higher highs. So let's see how they play this point here. Okay, as you can see, they went down after creating this shading movement here. But as they're going down, look on your left side. If you look on our left side, you can see that we have the recent break of structure here. This is the break of structure. Then this is the swing low. Then this is our what? This is our order block here. This is our first order block. So about this, then let's mark our order block and see if they will respect this order block. 5 pips below. Then let's use the previous high, which is this one here. Then let's continue with our ride. Okay, as you can see, our order block wasn't triggered. If we had a buy limit here, you can see that they just came close to the order block here. Now let me see if I aligned my candlestick right here. But one thing that we are good at is because, yeah, we are fine here. We are fine. They missed our order block with some few pips. Then we know that this is also part of the market. Then, as you can see, the one thing that we are correct with is the direction of the market. You can see how they moved away from this order block here. They just pushed up. Then, but we did what? We missed the buy limit here. So as you can see, they did what? They broke the previous high. Then if I can zoom it out again, you can see they took out the whole highs that we had previously here. You can see that. Then let's go to H1 and see where they're trying to go. Let's go to higher time frame. Okay, this is higher time frame here. So if you look on higher time frame, we had this movement. We have this movement here. We have this movement here. As you can see, break of structure, right? Then we have what? The higher high. Then we have what? The order block. Then the order block. Sorry, we're not going to use this consolidation part here. We want to use this where we got what? The beautiful first movement, a little bit of first movement here. It's going to be what? Our order block here. So you can see that they came to the order block, but they did what? They failed to take out the previous high. They failed to take the previous high. Then they did what? They broke what? The order block, making this what? The mitigation block. So this becomes what? The mitigation block here, because they failed to take the previous high out with this order block movement here. So let's zoom this line like this, because this is our mitigation block now. This is where we're looking for what? For a sell. Then let's push it. Let's push it like this. This is our mitigation block. This is our mitigation. Okay. Then let's put our TP and stop loss. Use the previous low. This is how I trade. I use the previous low. Then let's put it like this. Then let's see. Okay, as you can see, they respected what? Our mitigation block here. So as you can see, they came to the mitigation block, they tried to break it, then they eventually did what? They went down. So my TP was here on the previous low, so it means it was hit here. Then for those who use this one, because for me, if I take 3 trades, the first TP will be here, second one will be here, and the third one will be on the previous low, which will be this one here. So for me, I will close here. Let's assume I took 1 trade here on the mitigation block. Then let's see how the market plays. Okay, the second TP was hit here. Then you will be fine. Then let's see what happened. The market started to consolidate. So you can see they're consolidating. This is where I had sorry about this. I had the setup last week. I thought maybe since they had the break of structure here, and then they give us this supply zone here, I thought maybe they will respect this one and continue going down. And this was last week's setup. I had this setup last week. Then let's see also, but I know that this one failed me because they broke through this supply here. Let's just do it for the purpose of back testing. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. They just came close to the supply, but they did what? They broke through the supply. Understand? So what I was trying to show you here is how backtesting is very important. You can see from the moment we started here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 trades. So out of 7 trades we lost 1. This one we missed it. We're not going to count it. We lost 1, 2. So 2 out of how many which we won? 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 out of 2. So you can make a lot of profit from that depending on the lot size that you are using. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be back with more backtesting video. So thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate that. I'll see you in the next video.